Hello dear learners, this is Sindhu Sarkar, an English teacher, English version senior section, Milestone School and College. Welcome you all to our online class. I hope you all are fine. Dear learners, we are going to start our new video class with you today. I hope you will pay attention right from the beginning. So, before going to start our today's class, I am going to discuss some questions from the previous lesson. So, let's have a look. Okay, dear learners. So now I'm going to give you some questions from the previous lesson. So here, the first question, in the last class we discussed right form of the verbs. So first question for you here, it is many years since I come to Dhaka. So what will be the answer? Write it down, dear learners, in your CW copy. Then many years have passed since his father died. Then third number question for you, I wish I sing in the bracket a song. Then it is time we leave the place. Leave is in the bracket. So write the correct answer. Correct form of the verb. Here, number 5, he leave home last night. Leave is in the bracket. Then you had better do it. So dear learners, these are the questions from the previous lesson. I think you will be able to write down the proper answers. Okay, now I am telling you the answers also. So here, it is many years since I, it will be, in case of since, if you get in the, in the first class is in the present tense. So then next class will be in the past tense. So it will be came. It is many years since I came to Dhaka. Then many years have passed since his father died. Okay, dear learners. So it will be died. Then I wish I sing a song. So if you get I wish after that subject, then you have to use moral auxiliaries could, then main verb. So I wish I could sing a song. Then the answer of the fourth number question, match with my answer. It is time we leave the place. It is time, it is high time. After that, if we get subject, so here you are getting subject we, so it will be left. It is time we left the place. Then number 5, he leave home last night. So it will be left home. Because last night, last week, last month, it indicates past indefinite tense. So here he left home last night. You had better do it. Had better, would rather. If you get after that, verb will be in the base form. So it will remain same. Do. You had better do it. Okay. So I think, dear learners, you have written the proper answers. Okay. Now, dear learners, we are going to start our today's lesson. So here, observe some pictures before going to start our today's lesson. Here, first on computer, then you are getting here money, and here, the people who are in the, airport, outside, going outside, going abroad. So can you guess by observing the pictures? Our new lesson is about, wonders of the world. At first, computers, then we live in global village, it indicates global village. The whole world is now like a village, so it is termed as a global village. Okay, dear learners, now our wage earners. So people are going abroad, in the, picture you are getting here information, and they are, our wage earners. Okay, dear learners, they are our wage earners. Okay, so these lessons will be discussed today here. subject, CW, and then you are getting here information, lesson 24, 25, and 26. 24, wonders of the world, we live in a global village, 25, and then lesson 26, our wage earners. You can open your EFT book, you will get that over there. And then we will discuss a dialogue between you and the writer of the restaurant before ordering a meal. Okay, dear learners, so let's get it started. And the learning outcome, at the end of the lesson, you will be able to learn MCQ, short question and answers, a dialogue between you and the waiter at a restaurant before ordering a meal. Okay, so dear learners, here, lesson 24 at first, wonders of the world, computers. So the invention of the computer is very important in human life. The invention of the computer, has changed the life of the people. In fact, the life of the whole people of the world. Okay, dear learners, it has changed the lifestyle of people in the world. We use it in every sphere of our life. We can use it for studies, communication, watching movies, listening to music, playing games, etc. In various purposes we use it. In your school lab, you are also getting computers. Okay, dear learners, and you are learning so many things. In a moment, we can get information from any part of the world on the computer. People do not feel lonely as they can send emails to their friends and relatives. Some of their friends and relatives also live in far off countries. Even they can talk to them face to face on different social media. At present, using social media, we can talk with our friends, face to face, with video call also. With computer, a person can always keep himself updated. So, by the computer, you can keep yourself updated, by getting new information. Okay, everybody should learn to use the computer. At present, we are living in the age of technology, so we should learn the use of computer. In fact, the computer has made people's work easier and faster. Dear learners, at present it has, we can work very fast at present by using computers. Okay, dear learners, at present it has become a part of our daily life. Now it is a part of our daily life. At present you are doing classes by using computers or by mobile phones. Okay, so it has become a part of our daily life. You cannot even think a single moment without this type of technology. Okay, dear learners, space travel, not 100 years before, human beings used to think, had I the wings of a bird, before 100 years or so, people people would think that if I had the wings of a bird. Okay, dream came true when the Wright brothers flew with the first aeroplane. Now people travel faster than a bird. So now people can travel faster than a bird. We have a lot of aeroplanes, and they can fly very fast. Okay, dear learners, they not only travel from one continent to another continent, they travel from one planet to another planet. At present, we have got that the Mars, we have, NASA has sent, you know, a spacecraft, and China also has sent a spacecraft to the Mars. Okay, dear learners, so I think you have understood. So we are not fixed within our countries, I mean within our world. Now our scientists sending a spacecraft to the other planets also. So I think you have understood, dear learners. The spacecrafts have won the Mars. Okay, you are getting information here, the same information. every now and then spacecrafts are going to see the conditions of other planets. You know, as a result, people are planning to be interspace citizens in the coming days. A day will come when people will live in the moon, take education from the Jupiter, and spend vacation in another space thousands light years away. So, this type of, situation will happen within a very short possible time. Okay, dear learners. So I think you are understanding the fact. Okay, now mobile phones. You know, Mobile phones is another useful invention of the world. Like computers, mobile phones help us greatly in our daily life. You are using mobile phones, and by using this mobile phone, you are doing Zoom classes and other classes, and you are, involved. I mean, you are connected with your teachers. So you are learning by the, learning. You are taking your education. You are studying through the mobile phone. So you are understanding how important it is. Okay, dear learners. Through mobile phones, we can connect the whole world. Only a few years ago, we had difficulty to contact our near and dear ones. That was very costly too. Mobile phones are very handy, and we can use them for communication with people at a very low cost. People phones Mobile phones have different functions such as making calls, listening to music, taking photographs, storing information, etc. Even it can be used for distance learning. So, even it can be used for distance learning. We can learn so many things that is, not in a that is situated in the that is situated far away. Even it can be used for distance learning. So, dear learners, you are understanding from the distance we are getting the information by mobile phone, and we are learning it. So, it can be used for distance learning also. Okay, dear learners. Now, here, word meaning wonder. What will be the meaning of the word wonder? Surprise. Yes. Then civilization, human development. Then scientific, technological. Then weapon, that indicates arms. Luxury, it indicates comfort. Then a spacecraft, a vehicle that travels in space. So this is called a spacecraft. Lonely, it indicates isolation. Okay, dear learners. Now MCQ part. Choose the correct answers to each questions from the alternative given. Here alternatives are given. So first question for you, the wonders of the present world are. Here you are giving the options, at the same time, answer is given here. So write down the correct answers. The options are believable, unbelievable, reliable, and usable. So what will be the answer? Unbelievable. The wonders of the present world are unbelievable. Okay. Now next question for you. We can connect people at a very low cost through what? Television, YouTube, land phone, mobile phone. What will be the answer? Yes, dear learners, mobile phone. Okay, now, dear learners, next question for you. Here, number 3, the invention of dash is very important in human life. What will be the answer? Here are the options: radio, fax, computer, and television. So, what will be the answer, dear learners? Yes, computer. Okay. So the invention of computer is very important in human life. Okay, dear learners, now number 4 for you. Dash makes people travel faster. Here are the options: aeroplane, television, mobile phone, land phone. So it will be aeroplane. Okay, dear learners, very good. Now next question for you. The word doubt means. What will be the answer? Yes. Here are the options: suspicion, soft, surety and fixity. What will be the suspicion? Okay, dear learners. Now, here, answer to the following questions. Answer to the following questions. Here, first question for you. What are the wonders of the world? Can you guess? Yes. Scientific inventions are the wonders of the world. Now, next question for you. What invention around you surprises you the most? What will be? Yes, the most surprising invention around us are mobile phones. Okay, dear learners. Now, next question for you. How do people travel now? Yes, faster than a bird. Now, next question for you. What has become a part of our life? Computer has become a part of our life. Very good. Now, next question for you. How can we connect the whole world? Here, through mobiles. Through mobile phones, we can be connected with the whole world. Okay, dear learners. Now, here, lesson 25. In lesson 25, we live in a global village. Here you are getting a passage. Schwann's uncle works in the army. At present, he is in Congo in a UN peacekeeping mission. Okay, so here read his letter and do the following activity. So we have got a letter. Here in the letter, it is written, "Dear Schwann, I got your letter 2 days ago, but I was very busy here, so I am late to reply." Actually, his uncle is telling. Okay, Congo is a central, African country. There is violence among political groups, so our life here is very challenging. We maintain peace and security. We distribute food, water, medicine to people. We sometimes build houses for them. We also teach children in small schools. Last week, I met an interesting young man here. His name is Gurmeet Singh. He was born in India. In his early childhood, he left for Singapore with his parents and went to a Singaporean school. After a few years, he moved to Denmark and completed his school education there. For graduation, he went to the US and got a university degree. Then he left for the UK and completed his master degree there. Gurmeet came to Congo to work for a voluntary organization. His main job is to look after children's education in a community school. He belongs to a group of 10 workers. They all came from different countries. Okay, dear learners, so you are understanding. He is a nice fellow and a good friend of ours. We call him Mr. Global Citizen. I am writing below the conversation I had with him the other day. You have been to so many countries. How do you feel about that? It's a nice work to work with different people. I have come to know them, their language, culture, family, mine. I sometimes think I belong to all. Well, Gurmeet, you are a true global citizen. Aren't you too, June? Ismail Gurmeet Singh. So, Gurmeet Singh is also telling Jule these words. Okay. We all are the same human race. Yeah. So, they are telling so. Okay. These are the discussion between Jule and Gurmeet Singh. Okay. Jule is the uncle of, Shohan. Well, that's all for today. Hope your exam is over by now. So write to me soon about what you think of Gurmeet. So now, his uncle Zul is telling Chuan that he will write him, okay, about Gurmeet Singh. Okay, dear learners. Now, what meanings for you? So, these are the words and meanings. So, I think you have written first on abroad, that indicates in foreign land, then regret, to express sorrow for Okay, then skill, that indicates efficiency. Then economy, it indicates the management of money matter. And then develop, it indicates to expand. And then odd, that indicates casual. So these are the words and meanings I think you have written. Okay, dear learners, now lesson 25, our wage earners. A huge number of Bangladeshis go abroad for job. There is always a high demand of workers in some foreign countries like the UAE, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Bahrain, etc. They like Bangladeshi workers because they are hardworking. You know, they like Bangladeshi workers because Bangladeshi workers are hardworking. But this is a matter of regret that our workers are doing odd jobs. As a result, they are not paid much. This is because our workers are not good at English, Arabic, or other languages. So we should develop language skills for our workers for the countries they go for work. If they can develop their language skills, they can get good jobs and send more money to our country. Thus, the wage earners of our country can help develop our economy. Okay, dear learners. So we are getting this message that we should learn language, okay, to get, to earn more money from the abroad. Okay, dear learners. Now, here, answer to the following questions. First one, why do some Bangladeshis go abroad? A huge Bangladeshi go abroad for job. So they are going abroad for job. Okay. The next question, which countries employ foreign workers? Foreign workers like UAE, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, etc. Okay, dear learners. So foreign workers like UAE, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and Bahrain, etc. Here, why do they prefer Bangladeshi workers? Because Bangladeshi workers are hardworking. Then, what kind of jobs do Bangladeshi workers do? Bangladeshi workers are doing odd jobs over there. Then, why aren't they much paid? Because because of because they do odd jobs. Actually, for the language skill, for lacking of language skill, they are doing odd jobs over there. This is why they are not paid much. Okay, dear learners. Now, here a dialogue between you and the writer of the restaurant before ordering a meal. So here, dear learners, you are getting the information. Waiter is telling, "Good evening, sir. How can I help you myself?" Good evening. Can you please show me the food menu card? Waiter, yes, sir. Are you veg or non-veg? So myself, non-veg. Writer, here is your menu, sir. Please take a look and tell what you would like to have now. Myself, how is your grilled chicken? Is that okay? Yes, sir. I have really good quality of, and we are quite famous here for grilled chicken. I am sure you will love. Should I go for it, sir? Okay. Have grilled chicken with 2 buttered bread. Okay, dear learners. Dear waiter, okay. What would you love to have in a beverage? Okay, what would you love to have in a beverage? Do you have Diet Coke? Sorry, sir, we don't have Diet Coke right now. Then what are the options? You can have Pepsi, normal Coke, Mountain Dew, or energy drink. Myself, I will take Pepsi. Give me half-liter Pepsi. Waiter, it's okay, sir. Thank you. Myself, how much time will you take for the order? Waiter, you have to wait for 20 to 25 minutes, sir. Please do it a bit faster if possible. I am in a hurry. Okay, dear learners. So then, waiter, I am trying my best myself. Thank you. After the meal, we have to express in this way. Then, waiter, do you need anything else, sir? Myself, no thanks. Can I have the bill, please? Waiter, yes, of course. How was the food? Waiter is asking. Myself, yeah, that was pretty good. I'm impressed. Waiter, thanks a lot, sir. So, dear learners, you are getting the idea about this dialogue. Okay, now I am going for the feedback. In the feedback session, I'll give you some questions. I think you will be able to give the answer. Okay, dear learners. So now look at the feedback session and questions. So dear learners, in the feedback session, I have given here some questions and answers. I think it is possible for you to give the answers also. First question, what are the wonders of the world? Yes, it will be scientific inventions. What innovation around you surprises you the most? Yes, the most surprising innovation around us are the mobile phones. Then, third number question, how do people travel now? Faster than a bird. Yes, I think you are able to give the answer, dear learners, and you are writing the answers also. Why do they prefer Bangladeshi workers? Actually, why do they prefer Bangladeshi workers? Because Bangladeshi workers are hardworking. What kind of jobs do Bangladeshi workers do? Bangladeshi workers are doing odd jobs over there because of language. Okay. Okay, dear learners. In the feedback session, I am giving you some more questions here. If what is needed for getting good jobs? We have gone through the passage, so I think you are able to give the answer. Yes. So by developing language skill, they can get good jobs. Okay. I mean, by developing language skills, okay, people who are going abroad, they can get good jobs. Okay, dear learners. Okay, now next question for you. Who is called global citizen? Can you remember? Yes, Gurmeet Singh is called a global citizen. In fact, Gurmeet Singh is called a true global citizen. Okay, Schwann's uncle, called this man a global citizen because this Gurmeet Singh is working all over the world. Okay, I mean all around the world he is working. He is working for the children's education. In fact, okay, dear learners. Now, next question for you. Here, what does Schwann's uncle do? Can you remember? Yes, Schwann's uncle works in the army. Now at present he is staying at Congo, UN peacekeeping mission. Okay, so actually Schwann's uncle works in the army. Okay, and he has been sent, in the peacekeeping mission. Okay, dear learners. Now, next question for you. Here, what is the main job of Gurmeet Singh? Can you remember? Yes. His main job is to look after children's education in a community school. So actually, he is working for the education of the children, okay, all around the world. So now he is staying at Congo and his main job is to look after children's education. Okay, dear learners, I think you have understood. So dear learners, today we have learned the lesson 24, 25 and 26. We have learned a lot of things. We have learned MCQ, we have learned question answers, okay, and odd meanings also. So I think you have learned it properly. In fact, you have written all the things, I mean all the important notes. It is very much important for you, you know So, dear learners, now I am going to give you homework. Okay, dear learners, now this is the homework for you. Write it down. I think all of you have written. I think all of you have enjoyed the class. So, see you in the next class. Thank you all.